Hi everybody, it's Gemma. Welcome back to Pampered Wolf. Today we are going to be trialling out some false lashes. If you are a regular to my channel, you will know I never wear false lashes. You will never see me wearing them on my channel other than today and perhaps the last time I reviewed magnetic lashes, which if you saw that video, you will know it did not go well. And by the end of the day, those lashes ended up somewhere in my garden because I threw them out of the window. Very, very frustrating. I find them really cumbersome to actually apply. You need about 10 hands, and I do anyway. I just couldn't get it. I really couldn't get it. Anyway, we're going to be trialing out some other magnetic lashes that you actually apply with a magnetic liner, which I'm intrigued to see how this goes. Maybe if these are easy to apply, I may wear these to a few parties. Anyway, before we jump into the lashes, let me just remind everybody to click like, subscribe, and that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. I upload on Mondays and Thursdays at 8 PM London time, and I'm also on Instagram if you want to follow me on there. It's at Pampered Wolf, all lowercase, no spaces. Now, Lola's Lashes, not Lola Lashes, Lola's Lashes kindly sent me these magnetic lashes in the post for free with no expectations of a review in the future. This is not a sponsored post. I haven't been paid to do this and I haven't been given any other information to say in this video other than they sent me the product and they wanted me to try it. This has actually been on my desk for around about 6 months and I've been putting it off. It's just not my thing, but I did think that it might help everybody out. If you really like false lashes but you find them really difficult to apply, then hopefully, fingers crossed, this is going to make it easier for you. So let me just tell you a little bit of bump on this product. I will link the website in the description box below if you want to get these particular ones, but there are other ones on the market if you are not in the UK. So these are £35 in the UK. You can get up to 30 days worth of use out of one pair of lashes. These are supposed to be weather resistant. These are also supposed to be windproof. You're supposed to be able to apply these with no mess, no stress. That's not gonna happen. Absolutely not gonna happen. You apply these in seconds. We are gonna test that out. And there are 5 magnets on each strip for extra hold. So got a cleaning oil and also a cleaning sponge just to wipe the magnets of any excess liner. This is the liner that they sent through, which is in a nice pinky silvery bottle, and these are the false lashes. So you also get a little instruction manual that comes along with this that gives you all the instructions that you should need in order to apply these lashes. You're supposed to shake the liner really, really well before use, and you're supposed to apply one thick coat of liner on the top lash line. Do not allow eyeliner to dry completely. Wait 1 to 2 minutes. Eyeliner should still look wet. Okay? If you're having an issue with the product getting on the tips of your lashes while you apply, try using a different eyeliner brush. So I guess that's common sense. The applicator that you actually get with this is quite a thick applicator. It's definitely not a dainty applicator, and the product is all the way up on here, so it is likely you are going to get it on the tips of your lashes. Okay, so first things first, shaky, shaky, shaky really, really well. We must follow the instructions, otherwise if it goes wrong, got nobody to blame but myself. I am trying to stay right down at the root of the lashes. The concentration on my face, did you see that? Okay, so once I've done that, I'm gonna get a little bit of micellar water and a Q-tip, cotton bud, And I'm just going to try and take off the excess while we're waiting for the liner to dry on the lid. I'm just going to take it off the tips of my lashes if I can. This is not coming off. So it does get everywhere. I'm going to have to use my fingers. So I'm just going to grab an eyebrow spoolie and try and get that out a little bit. I'm hoping that has helped. So I think we've left it 2 minutes. So I'm going to grab one of the lashes and fingers crossed this works. Okay, look down. Oh gosh, this is all over my fingers. Do you know what? These are so much easier to apply than the other magnetic lashes. Just brush these up. They are definitely staying in place. I am actually quite impressed. It worked! It worked, everybody! This is so exciting! Right, let's try the other side. Let's try the other side. Wow. Okay, so the trick is, are these going to last throughout the day? Because if I was wearing these for a special occasion like a wedding, I'm going to want them to last the distance. I'm not going to want to be keeping on checking my eyelashes to see whether one's flipped up or whether one's come off. So we're going to keep an eye on these today. I will do a little check-in a little bit later on. Keep your fingers crossed for me, everybody, because I am super happy that these have gone on and they are looking pretty decent and they were easy to do. So I'll see you all in a bit. Welcome back to the check-in. It's now been just over 7 hours since I first applied the lashes and they are still on, they are still intact. They have had a workout, let me tell you. They have lasted through the wind, they've lasted through the rain, they haven't budged. I was half expecting one to fly off at some point during the walk to school earlier on, but they didn't. Not 1 millimeter's difference. Let me just zoom you in and show you here. Completely the same as they were when I left you earlier on. So I'm going to take the kids out for some tea because I want to get the most out of these. There is a new shop in Meadowhall opening that's the Sheffield United shop, which we want to be one of the first ones through the doors because we are that sad. Anyway, let me just share with you a few tips on how to apply these so you get less mess. So always look down into the mirror when you're applying your liner. That way your lashes are completely out of the way and you're not going to get any of the magnetic lash liner on your lashes because this stuff dries really, really quickly and it's very, very difficult to get off. You will find that the only way of removing this lash liner is with an oil cleanser. Otherwise, you're going to have to rub quite hard on your eye, which I just wouldn't recommend to anybody. So get yourself a really good oil cleanser and this will come off, it will just melt and it will be absolutely beautiful. So look down into the mirror to apply so that your lashes are completely out of the way and that way you get less mess. The next tip is always have a little Q-tip to hand. I haven't got a Q-tip to hand. Not organised. Always have a little Q-tip to hand to get any of that excess product that you have got on your lashes off immediately because again, this stuff dries really, really quickly. Another tip is you can apply this liner over the top of another liner. If you're wanting a cat flick at the corner, very, very difficult to do that with this particular liner because it's really thick and really gloopy. So do that eyeliner first with your normal eyeliner and then apply this liner over the top of that liner, just where you need it to stick the lashes in place. Another good tip and the final tip in this video is always curl your lashes and apply 1 coat of mascara before you apply the lashes to the lash liner. That way, if you look at my lashes, you will see your lashes look a lot fuller and they look a lot more natural actually because your natural lashes really do blend in with 1 coat of mascara to the false lashes. They look really full, They look really beautiful and they look less like lashes on top of lashes. So do let me know what you think about the lashes in the comment section below. This is a completely different look for me. I mean, I like a really full mascaraed lash look, but never really properly tried fake lashes out on you all. So do let me know what you think in the comment section below. Should I carry on using fake lashes? They are seriously, seriously comfortable. I forgot that I had them on earlier on. That's how comfortable they are. So do let me know in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. There is a watermark in this corner. If you click on it, it will take you through to my homepage where you can subscribe. I'm also on Instagram if you want to follow me on there. It's @PamperedWolf, all lowercase, no spaces. Hope to see you all in the next video. Bye.